हेलो गाइस, आई होप कि आप सब लोग घर पर सेफ है। तो आज हम करने जा रहे हैं केमिकल रिएक्शंस एंड इक्वेशंस के टॉप 50 एमसीक्यूज। एंड यार, इन एमसीक्यूज के पीडीएफ के लिंक तुम्हें नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में दी हुई है, जिसमें टोटल 71 क्वेश्चंस है। तो तुम लोग जाके उन्हें भी चेकआउट कर सकते हो। चलिए बढ़ते हैं अपने पहले क्वेश्चन की ओर। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट अ फिजिकल चेंज? ऑप्शन ए, बॉइलिंग ऑफ वाटर टू गिव वाटर वेपर। ऑप्शन बी, मेल्टिंग ऑफ आइस टू गिव वाटर। ऑप्शन सी, dissolution of water into water. Option D, combustion of LPG. And the correct answer is combustion of LPG. Sixth question comes here. Electrolysis of water is a decomposition reaction. The mole ratio of hydrogen and oxygen liberated during the electrolysis of water is option A 1:1, option B 2:1, option C 4:1, option D 1:2. And the correct answer is 2:1. Seventh question comes here. Which of the following gases can be used for the storage of fresh sample of an oil for a long time? Option A, carbon dioxide or oxygen. Option B, nitrogen or oxygen. Option C, carbon dioxide or helium. Option D, helium or nitrogen. And the correct answer is helium or nitrogen. Eighth question comes here. Strong heating of ferrous sulfate leads to the formation of a brown solid and two gases. The reaction can be categorized as option A, displacement and redox. Option B, decomposition and redox. Option C, displacement and endothermic. Option D, decomposition and exothermic. And the correct answer is decomposition and redox reaction. 13th question comes here. When hydrogen sulfide gas is passed through a blue solution of copper sulfate, a black precipitate of copper sulfide is obtained and the sulfuric acid so formed remain in the solution. The reaction is an example of option A, combination reaction. Option B, displacement reaction. Option C, decomposition reaction. Option D, double displacement reaction. And the correct answer is double displacement reaction. 14th question comes here. Which of the following reactions is an endothermic reaction? Option A, burning of coal. Option B, process of respiration. Option C, decomposition of vegetable matter into compost. Option D, decomposition of calcium carbonate to form quicklime and carbon dioxide. And the correct answer is decomposition of calcium carbonate to form quicklime and carbon dioxide. 16th question comes here. When copper turning are added to silver nitrate solution, a blue colored solution is formed after some time. It is because copper, option A, displaces silver from the solution. Option B, forms a blue colored complex with AgNO3. Option C, is oxidized to Cu2 plus. Option D, it is reduced to Cu2 plus. And the correct answer is it is oxidized to Cu2 plus. 19th question comes here. One of the following does not happen during a chemical reaction. This is option A, breaking of old chemical bond and formation of new chemical bond. Option B, formation of new substances with entirely different properties. Option C, atom of one element change into those of another element to form new products. Option D, a rearrangement of atoms takes place to form new products. And the correct answer is atom of one element change into those of another element to form new products. 20th question comes here. You are given the solution of lead nitrate. In order to obtain a yellow precipitate, you should mix with it a solution of option A, potassium chloride. Option B, potassium nitride. Option C, potassium sulfide. Option D, potassium iodide. And the correct answer is potassium iodide. 23rd question comes here. Reaction of magnesium with air is option A, exothermic reaction. Option B, endothermic reaction. Option C, reversible reaction. Option D, substitution reaction. And the correct answer is exothermic reaction. 24th question comes here. Magnesium ribbon is rubbed before burning because it has a coating of option A, basic magnesium carbonate. Option B, basic magnesium oxide. Option C, basic magnesium sulfide. Option D, basic magnesium chloride. And the correct answer is basic magnesium carbonate. 25th question comes here. What chemicals are used in fireworks? Option A, copper chloride. Option B, calcium chloride. Option C, barium chloride. Option D, all of the above. And the correct answer is all of the above. 26th question comes here. Chemical formula of lead sulfate is option A, Pb2SO4. Option B, PbSO4 whole twice. Option C, PbSO4. Option D, Pb2SO4 whole thrice. And the correct answer is PbSO4. 27th question comes here. When a magnesium ribbon is burnt in the air, the ash formed is option A, black. Option B, white. Option C, yellow. Option D, pink. And the correct answer is white. 28th question comes here. Which information is not conveyed by balanced chemical equation? Option A, physical state of reactant and product. Option B, symbols and formula of all the substances involved in a particular reaction. Option C, number of atoms or molecules of the reactants and products formed. Option D, whether a particular reaction is actually feasible or not. And the correct answer is whether a particular reaction is actually feasible or not. 29th question comes here. Color of magnesium oxide is option A white, option B blue, option C gray, option D pink, and the correct answer is white. 30th question comes here. Chemically rust is option A hydrated ferrous oxide, option B only ferric oxide, option C hydrated ferric oxide, option D none of these, and the correct answer is hydrated ferric oxide. 31st question comes here. Both CO2 and H2 gases are option A heavier than air, option B colorless, option C acidic in nature, option D soluble in water, and the correct answer is colorless. 32 question comes here. When crystals of lead nitrate are heated strongly in a dry test tube, what happens? Option A crystals immediately melt, option B a brown residue is left, option C white fumes appear in the tube, option D a yellow residue is left, and the correct answer is a brown residue is left. 33 question comes here. Consider equation calcium plus 2 hydroxide equals to calcium hydroxide. The precipitate of calcium hydroxide will be of option A green color, option B blue color, option C brown color, option D white color, and the correct answer is white color. 34th question comes here. In writing chemical equations, the inclusion of state symbols shall be done while option A correct chemical formula of reactant and products are written, option B equation is being balanced to fulfill the law of conservation of mass, option C equation has been balanced, option D chemical formula of product and reactants have been changed to bring about quick balancing, and the correct answer is the equation has been balanced. 35th question comes here. Electrolytic decomposition of water gives H2 and O2 in the ratio of option A 1:2 by volume, option B 2:1 by volume, option C 8:1 by mass, or D 1:2 by mass, and the correct answer is 2:1 by volume. 36th question comes here. Consider the equation lead plus 2 hydroxide equals to lead hydroxide. The precipitate of lead 2 hydroxide will be of option A green color, option B blue color, option C brown color, option D white color, and the correct answer is white color. 37th question comes here. In decomposition of lead 2 nitrate to give lead 2 oxide, nitrogen dioxide and oxygen gas, coefficient of nitrogen dioxide in balance equation is option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D 4, and the correct answer is 4. 38th question comes here. Consider reaction sodium plus oxide equals to sodium oxide. Moles of sodium needed to be balanced would be option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D 4, and the correct answer is 4. 14th question comes here. Fatty foods become rancid due to the process of option A oxidation, option B corrosion, option C reduction, option D hydrogenation, and the correct answer is oxidation. 41st question comes here. We store silver chloride in a dark colored bottle because it is option A white solid, option B undergoes redox reaction, option C to avoid action by sunlight, option D none of the above, and the correct answer is to avoid action by sunlight. 42 question comes here. Which one of the following process involve chemical reaction? Option A storing of oxygen gas under pressure in a gas cylinder, option B keeping petrol in a china dish in the open, option C liquefaction of air, option D heating copper wire in the presence of air at high temperature, and the correct answer is heating copper wire in presence of air at high temperature. 43 question comes here. Silver article turns black when kept in the open for a few days due to the formation of option A H2S, option B AgS, option C AgSO4, option D Ag2S, and the correct answer is Ag2S. 44 question comes here. Reaction in which two compounds exchange their ions to form two new compounds is called option A displacement, option B combination, option C double displacement, option D redox, and the correct answer is double displacement reaction. 46th question comes here. On immersing an iron nail in copper sulfate solution for few minutes, you will observe option A no reaction takes place, option B color of solution fades away, option C surface of iron nail acquire a black coating, option D color of the solution changes to green, and the correct answer is the color of the solution changes to green. 47th question comes here. Rancidity can be prevented by option A adding antioxidants, option B storing food away from light, option C keeping food in the refrigerator, option D all of these, and the correct answer is all of these. 49th question comes here. A dilute ferrous sulfate solution was gradually added to the beaker containing acidified permanganate solution. The light purple color of the solution fades and finally disappears. Which of the given equation is the correct explanation for the observation? Option A, KMnO4 is an oxidizing agent, ferrous sulfate. Option B, ferrous sulfate acts as an oxidizing agent and oxidizes KMnO4. Option C, color disappears due to dilution, no reaction is involved. Option D, KMnO4 is an unstable compound and decomposes in presence of ferrous sulfate to a colorless compound. And the correct answer is KMnO4 is an oxidizing agent. It oxidizes to ferrous sulfate. 50th question comes here. A teacher gave two test tubes to the students, one containing water and the other containing sodium hydroxide. She asked them to identify the test tube containing sodium hydroxide solution. Which one of the following can be used for identification? Option A, blue litmus. Option B, red litmus. Option C, sodium carbonate solution. Option D, dilute hydrochloric acid. And the correct answer is red litmus. 54 question comes here. Lead plus copper chloride is equals to lead chloride plus copper. The above reaction is an example of option A, combination. Option B, double displacement. Option C, decomposition. Option D, displacement. And the correct answer is displacement. 55 question comes here. Combustion reactions are always option A, exothermic. Option B, endothermic. Option C, sometime exothermic. Option D, both A and B. And the correct answer is exothermic. 56 question comes here. Which of the following is not true with respect to the neutralization reaction? Option A, salt formed. Option B, reaction occur between an acid and a base. Option C, more reactive element displaces less reactive element. Option D, reactants are in a gaseous state. And the correct answer is reactants are in a gaseous state. 57 question comes here. Name the products formed when iron fillings are heated with dilute hydrochloric acid. Option A, Fe3 chloride and water. Option B, Fe2 chloride and water. Option C, Fe3 chloride and hydrogen gas. Option D, Fe2 chloride and hydrogen gas. And the correct answer is Fe3 chloride and hydrogen gas. 58th question comes here. The condition produced by aerial oxidation of fats and oils in foods marked by unpleasant smell and taste is called. Option A, antioxidation. Option B, reduction. Option C, rancidity. Option D, corrosion. And the correct answer is rancidity. 59th question comes here. Select the oxidizing agent for the following reaction. H2S plus I2 is to 2HI plus S. And the options are I2, H2S, HI or S. And the correct answer is I2. When Ag is exposed to air, it gets a black coating of option A, AgNO3, option B, Ag2O, option C, Ag2S, option D, Ag2CO3. And the correct answer is Ag2S. 61 question comes here. Substance X is used in whitewashing and obtained by heating limestone in absence of air. Identify X. Option A, calcium oxychloride. Option B, calcium hydroxide. Option C, calcium carbonate. Option D, calcium oxide. And the correct answer is calcium oxychloride. 62 question comes here. In a chemical reaction between sulfuric acid and barium chloride, solution in white precipitates formed are of option A, hydrochloric acid. Option B, barium sulfate. Option C, chlorine. Option D, sulfur. And the correct answer is barium sulfate. 63 question comes here. Before burning in air, magnesium ribbon is cleaned by rubbing with sandpaper to option A, make ribbon surface shinier. Option B, remove layer of magnesium oxide from ribbon surface. Option C, remove layer of magnesium carbonate from ribbon surface. Option D, remove moisture from ribbon surface. And the correct answer is remove the layer of magnesium carbonate from ribbon surface. 64 question comes here. Chemical reaction does not involve option A, formation of new substances having entirely different properties than that of the reactants. Option B, breaking of old chemical bonds and formation of new chemical bond. Option C, rearrangement of atoms of reactants to form new products. Option D, changing of the atoms of one element into those of another element to form new products. And the correct answer is changing of atoms of one element into those of another to form new compounds. 65 question comes here. One of the following process does not involve a chemical reaction. That is option A, melting of candle wax when heated. Option B, burning of candle wax when heated. Option C, digestion of food in our stomach. Option D, ripening of banana. And the correct answer is melting of candle wax when heated. 66 question comes here. It is necessary to balance chemical equation in order to satisfy the law of option A, conservation of motion. Option B, conservation of momentum. Option C, conservation of energy. Option D, conservation of mass. And the correct answer is conservation of mass. 68 question comes here. Rusting of iron involves chemical reaction which is a combination of option A reduction and combination, oxidation as well as combination, option C reduction as well as displacement, option D oxidation as well as displacement. And the correct answer is oxidation and combination reactions. When ferrous sulfate is heated strongly, it undergoes decomposition to form ferric oxide as a main product accompanied by change in color form. Option A blue to green, option B green to blue, option C green to brown, option D green to yellow. And the correct answer is green to brown. 70th question comes here. Displacement reaction between iron 3 oxide and a metal X is used for welding the rail tracks. Here X is option A copper granules, option B magnesium ribbon, option C sodium pellets, option D aluminium dust. And the correct answer is aluminium dust. तो गाइज यही थे हमारे टॉप एमसीक्यूज जिनके बारे में मैंने तुम्हें अच्छे से बता दिया है. नीचे जो लिंक्स हैं उनसे तुम और अच्छे से क्लियर कर लेना एंड उन्हें भी चेकआउट कर लेना. और अगर चैनल पर नए हो तो हिट दैट सब्सक्राइब बटन, क्योंकि जितने चैप्टर तुम्हारे टर्म 1 में आ रहे हैं उन सब के एमसीक्यूज तुम्हें कुछ इसी प्रकार से इस चैनल पे मिल रहे होंगे. ठीक, थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग, गुड बाय.